Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to remove Opera GX suggestions. So guys, this process that I'm gonna show you will work on any version of Opera. So guys, the first thing that you will do is click the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and go to the full browser settings. And then over here guys, just search for suggestions. And then from here guys, as you can see, we have improved search suggestions. Just toggle that off and show suggestions before tapping. Just toggle that off as well. Show speed dial suggestions. Toggle that off. And there you go guys. That should be able to remove the Opera GX suggestions. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!